used to feel light, screaming, dreaming, feeding fire. We've got that something, hearts on fire. I'm dripping, tripping.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a wife and a mom to one beautiful baby girl, a 1-year-old baby girl, and today we are going to be doing a massive, when I say massive you guys, I mean massive garage declutter and organize. If you guys saw the clip in the beginning, you could not even see the floor in my garage. So first things first, my husband is building these garage racks. This is not sponsored, but they are from a company named Costway, and they were kind enough to send me these 3 racks so that I can do this project that was much needed. And they also gave me a 10% discount code for their entire site. They sell a bunch of different things. They're kind of like a Walmart. They sell all different things. I was looking at some mixers there, and they tend to have things more affordable than other retail stores would have. So definitely check out the links in my description, and also make sure if you do find anything that you like on their website that you use my 10% discount code. So anyway, my husband is building these, and let me tell you a kind of a backstory so you guys don't think that we're just pigs. But we just moved into this house, and you know, packing with a baby from our old house was kind of stressful. So we did take a lot of junk with us. We were just like, you know what, we have a garage, let's just take it with us, and then we will dispose of it later or donate it or whatever. And then it turned into this. So yeah, we didn't have much storage in our other house, so we kind of like utilized this garage, or kind of like a shed. We do want to finish this later on in the future, but we have a few things to do. You know, you guys, we're still finishing the house a bit, with makeovers and all that stuff. But then in the future, I want to move on to finishing the basement, finishing this garage, because I just hate garages that are not finished. I'd rather have like drywall and stuff so that it's a little more repellent for some spiders and bugs and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm just starting off with the decluttering. I'm just getting rid of everything that we don't use anymore. So some baby stuff like the walker, I never use that. We use the push and go walker, but just a bunch of stuff that we didn't need. I made a huge pile, and you guys will see that at the end, of things that we are either gonna throw away or give for donations.
Love unbroken.
I also want to apologize for the brightness. This was outside. I had the camera outside and the lighting was just too bright. So this is only for the beginning of the video. I promise you it does get better once I put the camera inside of the garage.
Oh, stay forever wild, young until the end, swaying on the edge. Stay forever fire, burn me to my core, babe, we're made of gold.
Alright, so as you guys saw in the beginning, I didn't even know where to start. So my kind of tactic was to declutter one side, the side that I was going to put these shelves at, so that once I can start putting things on the shelves, it'll take more off the floor, and then I could actually see everything that I had. These shelves actually ended up being mostly seasonal, which is okay because most of my seasonal, like my Christmas, were already organized in bins. But I did want a designated area for my decor and for it to not be all jumbled up in the garage. That's actually one of the main reasons why I did this organization, is because now I'm here on YouTube, and you guys know I've did my Christmas decorate, Easter, Valentine's Day, and I just want somewhere where I don't need to send my husband and I can go myself, and everything's all organized. And I also have a place to put new decor, because once Christmas comes again, I'm gonna be getting more Christmas, even though most of this is all Christmas, trust me. I can shop for days for Christmas. So yeah, we're starting off with just putting all the seasonal there, and then we're gonna jump on to the rest of the stuff and the other side of the garage.
Your mouth, I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your reign. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You left me here all alone without saying goodbye.
Y'all, I am just watching this back and I cannot wait to like finish this. Like, I can just imagine. I want to have, my goal is to have these racks like all around the garage, like extreme organization. And then I really want to put like drywall in because I want to cover that roof, guys. There's like so much webs up there and stuff. Like I had to shower after doing this organization. I just felt like it was so much dust. And then I know no spiders got on me, but like if I know that there's spiders somewhere, I'm gonna automatically feel my skin crawling. So I was like, I kept like not hitting myself, but like, you know, trying to dust off when I felt something that wasn't really there. But anyways, I cannot wait to like finish this, God willing, in the future. Let me know if you have a garage or a shed down below, and if it's finished or not, and if you can deal with a garage that's not finished, or would you just send your husband to go get stuff like I am currently doing.
Into a liar. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to.
Okay, now we're heading to the other side of the garage, and my goal for this side was to put like all the tools and stuff, since it has like that, I don't know what is it called, the pegboard there. Eventually I want to put all my husband's tools there, but I didn't do that in this video. This wasn't like a super in-depth organization. It was just to get it completely decluttered and looking like it's an actual space and not a hoarder room. Like we couldn't see the floor, you guys. Literally we could not see the floor. We were like climbing over things. So that was the main goal for today. So I'm just putting like the lawnmower there, our vacuum, the ladder, and all that stuff. My goal is to have one side of the garage, or like mine, dedicated for my decor, all that stuff, and the other side could be kind of my husband's, where he has all his tools. Alright, you guys, so this is progress again. I don't think I'm gonna get to like deep organization, but just like giving everything its place. So right here I kept like all the tool things, kind of like the lawnmower, that's our like heavy duty vacuum, the table that we use for parties, the ladder, shovel, and then I just have my treadmill here. We do have like one of those tool things here. So I do want to like eventually bring in all his tools and like hang everything up really, really nicely. But I don't think today's that day. It's cold outside. Yesterday it was a long day. And so I'm going to finish off with putting some of those bins over there that just have like some cleaning stuff, like extra detergent, the bassinet that we will be reusing whenever the time comes, and just putting those stuff there. And then this is gonna be reserved for decor. So I have a few decor bins here that I have to go through and figure out what I'm donating, and the rest I'll just put it like in the rest of the shelves. And we have to throw that TV out because that was our bedroom TV that broke during the move. It like fell in a U-Haul truck. Don't ask me how, but yeah, so I'm just gonna probably finish this wall, go through the decor bins, and then show you guys some after shots of everything. And I'll also show you guys everything that we got rid of.
Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
just going through all the bins because these were packed like when we were in the process of packing to move. But I'm just going through all the bins and I'm gonna organize them a bit, like not in depth, but like I kept all his tools in there, like sander, a saw, all that stuff. I just organized it a little bit and then I put it by his peg wall.
Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Also, you're gonna hear me say a few times, I think I already said it one time in one of the clips, that yesterday, well, the day before I filmed this video was a stressful day. This weekend was stressful, and I already shared with you guys on the community post like why I haven't been posting decor videos as much, because we were going through like a little financial thing that just got settled this weekend, and now we are, God willing, jumping back into decor. So the very next video will be a decor haul and then a makeover right after that, so stay tuned for that. But that is what I am referring to when I say that it was a long weekend, because we had some stressful things happen this weekend, but thank God everything worked out.
When I'm thinking about the good times that we had.
Now, obviously, I couldn't sweep the garage floor clean because it's concrete and there's dust and it's like outside. But I just wanted to get, there was some broken glass there from a picture frame and all the leaves out just so that I looked more cleaner. And don't worry, this is an outside broom that we only use outside.
Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you looked at me, and it's hard to explain it. Thinking about you makes me crazy.
Alright, you guys, so this is how everything is looking. I'm gonna take you guys through a quick walkthrough just to explain everything, even though I know I already explained. But basically these shelves are all Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, and then I do want to use the rest of them for like either to save more space because I know I'm gonna get more Christmas, or to put regular decor in. Over here I just have the tree and our Christmas signs, and then in here are like all of our lights and extension cords as well for our outside. But yeah, this is a close-up. I got all these finds at Target dollar spot once everything went on clearance, as well as all those trees. I'm gonna be using all of them. I have my outdoor stuff here, our ornaments, Valentine's Day is up there. Yeah, I have all the rugs down there. So I have the Valentine's Day one, the Christmas one, and then I have an Easter one that I have up right now that I'm gonna take down soon. Here I just have random stuff like our extra laundry detergent. Guys, there's dust all over me. I cannot wait to take a shower. But our laundry detergent, contractor bags, and like I like to keep the boxes to some things. Here's all the baby stuff that I have. I have the bassinet, I have some extra diapers, her newborn clothes that I saved, some of the newborn clothes that I saved for, you know, God willing, the next baby. And then that's just my husband's PS5 box. Then here I was gonna go through all this decor. This is all the decor that I'm not sure about, so I was trying to figure out what I was gonna donate and what I wasn't. That's our chalkboard from our wedding. But I'm going through a lot right now, and this was a big task for me, so I'm just gonna save that for another day. I have to separate what I do want and what I do not want. I'll show you guys a little up close if you can see. But I just have a bunch of little decor pieces that some of them are not my style anymore, so I do have to go through them. And then over here I kept all the tools. So anyways, Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video because it was a workout for me and I'm already going through so much today, well, this weekend. But anyways, I love you guys. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video and if this gave you motivation to tackle your garage or shed or whatever you have. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one.
You showed me what it's like.